Three, two, one. Welcome to Styles by Her. This is your girl Ka. It's tea time with me. So let's see here. This is my station. Got Coco and Chanel in the back. Oh yay. So I'm just gonna do a real quick test run, do mic check. Working on some more canvas painting for my background. I know the back color is a little grayish, but looking to add some white in it. Let's see here. So what you can look forward to my vlogs. I'm hoping to, let's say, share some stories, some love advice maybe, some relationship advice, maybe from first person point of view, third person point of view, definitely some, I think in times like this, some positivity, and what else? I'll be drinking tea, so I know for sure I'll be sharing that with you guys. And you guys, let me know what your favorite teas are. Maybe I can grab some and, sit down and sip tea with you guys. And spilling some tea. You know, the quote. No, not the quote. Is it the quote? Yeah, spill some tea, girl. So that will be happening. Adding some fun. Let's see, maybe if my husband's down, he will pop up and do some DJ tips and advice for you guys. Or with you guys. So, yeah. Come back for more. Other than that, I'm out. See you guys. Bye. Mwah. Stay blessing, beautiful people.